Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Agantuka Yatri, your ultimate destination for exploration, discovery and captivative narratives. I am Manish Chauhan and I am here to take you on a journey where curiosity meets content. Here you will find a vibrant mix of videos including traveling vlogs, exploring breathtaking destinations, hidden gems and local cultures. Pack your bags and travel the world with me. Unboxing fun, honest reviews, and exciting first looks at the latest gadgets, gears, storytelling, and narratives. Immersive stories, personal experiences, and thoughtful tales that entertain and inspire. Informative content, videos packed with the facts, knowledge, and insightful discussions on various topics religious and spiritual journeys, exploring historical temples, sharing devotional stories. Love exploring new places, learning new things, and listening to great stories. You found your home. Hit that subscribe button, join our channel, join our Agantuka Yatri family, and let's explore the world with me.